Hey everyone, it's James from FunFoods, and today I'm going to show you how to make these homemade strawberry brownies straight from a cake box mix. So keep watching and I'll show you step by step how to make this. The first thing we need to do is start out with a large bowl. In this large bowl, I have a cake box mix, and this is strawberry cake box mix. I'm going to put that whole box mix in this bowl. Next, I'm going to add 1/3 cup of oil. This is vegetable oil. Now what we got to do is add 2 large eggs to this. Now we're just going to mix this up with a hand mixer. Now that that's all mixed up, we are going to bring in an 8-inch by 8-inch pan, and I have it lined with some parchment paper here. You can spray it with cooking spray if you'd rather go that route. And we're just going to put our dough, or batter I should say, into that dish. I have some on these beaters I want to get off, so I'm just going to scrape them off. It is a rather sticky dough, it's not very runny. And you want to spread it out nice and even. Now we're just going to bake this at 350 degrees Fahrenheit for about 15 minutes. All right, so I had this in the oven for about 20 minutes. Now what we got to do is let this cool down completely before we take it out of the pan. Next, we're going to make our cream cheese frosting that's going to go over top of our strawberry brownies. And to do that, I have a medium bowl here. I have 8 ounces of cream cheese that's softened at room temperature. We're also going to use 1 stick of softened butter, which actually half a stick of softened butter, which is 4 tablespoons. We're going to start by creaming this together. You can also add about a teaspoon of vanilla extract. And once that's creamed together, now what we're going to do is add 2 cups of powdered sugar. I'm going to use 1 cup at a time. And slowly blend this in. Sure to scrape down the sides so that everything gets mixed in nicely. All right, so now all we gotta do is take this and spread it on our brownies. Okay, so when our brownies have cooled down completely, we can remove them from the pan, and having the parchment paper on here makes it easy. We should just be able to pull it right out. Now just bring in your cream cheese topping that we made, and we're just gonna spread this across the top of this. Now that the cream cheese icing is on top, all we gotta do is cut this up and serve. Well, now it's time for the taste test. I'm gonna dig into our strawberry brownies and see how they taste. These are good. Well, thanks everyone for watching. I hope you enjoyed watching me make these strawberry brownies straight from a cake box mix. It was very easy, very simple to do, and they taste amazing. So I hope you enjoyed this video, and if you did, please hit that like button. Also hit that big red subscribe button if you're not already subscribed to get new videos all the time, and be sure to check out some of the videos I have off to the side. And until then, I'll see you next time. Make these strawberries brown, I can't talk. Now that the, okay, that's smart. My lav mic was not installed on, so hopefully it doesn't mess my audio up. I think it'll be fine. Let's clip that on there.